Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So today we'll be going through the trade I took on Euro JPY, in which I faced a loss of 1% in my two accounts. One was live account $2K and another was $6,000 phase 2 FundedNext account. So today I will be going through the trades in why I had taken the loss. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, this was the trade. So before also I had taken a loss over here. This was around in October something. Then again I had made a profit over here. But again, so I will explain why I had taken this trade and what were my mistakes. There were some major mistakes in this trade which I didn't realize while placing the trades. So let's go on to the lower time frame. So as you can see, when I was analyzing the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, I had taken the trade on Monday. So the Monday, suddenly at 3:30 a.m., the market had spiked up around 50 or 40 pips like that. So then initially I had not taken Euro JPY as my pair to trade, but as it had spiked up, I had seen that the market was close to my POI. As you can see, the perfect POI was working. So when the market retraced till here, I was waiting. As you guys know, my entry model is wait from the lower time frame 15-minute, higher low, then break above the previous high, then close below the previous low, causing a market structure shift. Then I take a trade in the retest. So some people call this a head and shoulder, some people call this break and retest. So you can call it whatever you want. But this is the entry model. I take a trade entry over here. When it market structure shift with the engulfing candle, then it retraces, then I place my trade. Okay, so this is the basis of my trade. So now I was waiting in the 15-minute time frame. So this will be a quick video. I'll just explain what happened. So as you can see, this was the first trade which I had entered in my $6,000 account. I'll show you in the screen recording I had when it touched stop loss. So you can see this was the $6,000 ID. Then while placing the second ID, this much was considered a spread or something while the account was in drawdown. So as you can see, I was waiting for the 15-minute structure. The trade was supposed to be around here. This was supposed to be the trade. This is supposed to be the stop loss. And if I had placed that, then I would have gotten around, let's see. This was supposed to be a trade. As you can see, it had engulfed the candle and I was taking a trade on the next entry. So if this was my stop loss, then I would have gotten around 1:2, as you can see, 1:9. I always put break even in 1:1.5. So this was not the trade. I had missed it somehow. Then while it was retracing back again, I had a second opportunity in the lower time frame, in 5-minute time frame, as you can see. So I had marked down my point of interest, and there was a trend line liquidity as well. So I was thinking that it might be like it can reverse from here. So I was a bit unsure. Then, as you can see, there were so many imbalances over here. Then the Tokyo liquidity, then previous London, Tokyo, all the liquidity was not captured. So I had not seen anything. I was just focusing on, like, I was full delusional about it. Like I was thinking like just it will react from my point of interest. As you can see, it had reacted same form. Just I had to wait a little bit more because this was supposed to be my second entry. As you can see, this move, if you go in the 1 hour time frame, this is the perfect engulfing pattern. Then when it retraced, this was supposed to be entry. This was supposed to be my stop loss. As you can see, it would have hit perfectly 1:4 or 1:5. But like as the Monday market opened, like I was in a very hurry to take a trade. So the lesson I have learned is not to hurry. If you have to even wait for a week to take a trade, so be it. Don't hurry to take a entry. And like once the greed becomes your priority, you start losing a lot of trades. So that thing I have noticed. So as you can see, this was the stop loss. First stop loss is second stop loss is so it's not a big problem, but let's see how the week goes. This was a 1% loss in $6,000 ID and $2,000 ID as you can see in the screen recording. He target hitting my means trade hitting my stop loss. So yeah, that's it for the video. So basically I had like hurried into the trade. As you can see, the market had already given a higher push. I was not supposed to take an entry here. Like, why did I take an entry now? I cannot understand. Like, there was no entry supposed to be entry here. If there was supposed to be entry here, it should have been here, or this was supposed to be the perfect entry. So add it. As you can see, I had explained the my trading is first it creates a higher high, then the market breaks the higher high, then I take a trade in the retracement. This is the exact strategy which I trade. So as you can see, this has worked out perfectly, but just a bit afterwards. Like when I taken the trade, then market started reversing. So this was the first time that my stop loss had hit within like 15 30 minutes. As you can see, within the two candle, my stop loss had got hidden. So I had taken the trade and I had gone for a walk. Then I didn't realize that my stop loss got hit so quickly. So then I was thinking of entering over here, but I have a rule that I need to take only one trade a day. So I followed the rule and I didn't take any entries. I waited for the and today, as you can see, today is Tuesday. Today also I did, as you can see, Tuesday. Today also I didn't take any entry and all that. I was just like my rules. I try to follow my rules that whenever I take a loss, whatever it is, I try to take some gap because I most of the like my main problem was over trading. Like when the beginning I blew my personal capital, then I had like promised myself that whatever happens, if I'm in a losing streak of 10 trades also, I'm not going to over trade. So whenever happens, even the day I requested my payout, if you haven't seen the video, you can go and watch it. All the day, every day something happens, I try to take a break just because of over trading. Even if I see any opportunity in the market, I don't want to trade that. One trade a day or two trades a day maximum. So as you can see, this was the loss. Then I'm also this week I'm trying to plan a trade on EuroCAD. As you can see, I was trying to plan a trade over here, but the trade didn't get successful. Then second pair was AUD USD. This is jumping a bit. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, take care. And if you have not watched the previous video, I will highly recommend go and watch it.